Every day, workplace incidents occur, many of which are entirely preventable. We will closely examine the safety failures in this video and uncover what went wrong. More importantly, we will outline some simple steps that could have been taken to prevent these incidents. Whether on a job site or in an office, these moments can serve as eye-opening reminders of why safety should always be a priority. To prevent this incident, the worker should have been completely excluded from the loading and forklift operational area. The forklift operator should have stopped the operation of the forklift if he was not sure where the worker was. Anyone entering a forklift operating zone must establish positive communication with the operator before doing so. This could include eye contact, hand signals, or radio confirmation. Before loading the truck, a forklift operator and workers should consult and agree on a safe loading plan, clearly identifying safe zones and exclusion zones. Additionally, if a forklift operator's view is obstructed by a load, they should consider reversing the forklift if it is safer to do so and allows for better visibility. To prevent this incident, the wall panel should have been secured in an upright position using temporary bracing and anchoring the base to eliminate the risk of it falling. It is also important to consider constructing the wall panel on a flat, horizontal surface and then lifting it into position using appropriate mobile plant, ensuring better control and reducing risks. To prevent this incident, the worker should have maintained 3 points of contact while climbing the ladder to ensure stability and safety. The tools or equipment being carried should have been secured in a tool bag, allowing the worker to climb with both hands. Given the height and potential for a fall protection should have been worn to minimize the risk of injury. To prevent this incident, the ladder should have been securely fixed at both the base and the top to prevent it from slipping or falling. It must never be placed on a smooth or slippery surface. Instead, ensure it has rubber feet and is positioned on a stable, non-slip surface. The ladder's angle is also critical. It should be set at a 4:1 ratio, meaning the base should be 1 meter out for every 4 meters of vertical height. Finally, an exclusion zone should be established beneath the ladder to protect others from the risk of falling tools or materials. To prevent this incident, the working platform should have been stable and properly secured, with a fall prevention barricade installed to eliminate the risk of a fall. When using a fall arrest system, it's essential to carefully assess the anchor point, especially in relation to the potential free fall distance. The length of the lanyard must also be appropriate for the working height to ensure effective arrest before impact. Additionally, always account for the pendulum effect, which can occur if the anchor point is not positioned directly above the worker. This swing motion can lead to serious injuries from collisions with nearby structures. To prevent this incident, the lifting gear needed to be verified for safe working load limits to ensure the equipment could safely lift the load. It's critical to confirm that all lifting equipment is suitable and in good condition before use. Always be sure to attach lifting slings and spreader bars to designated lifting points to maintain stability. Additionally, Taglines should have been used to allow workers to guide and control the load from a safe distance. Most importantly, never stand under a suspended load. It is one of the most fundamental rules for lifting anything safely. To prevent this incident, the pathway used by the workers should have been kept clear of all trip hazards. Additionally, the use of a mechanical aid should have been considered to move the load, reducing the risk of manual handling injuries. Workplace housekeeping always needs to be of a high standard. That means having regular inspections, worker accountability, and a culture of tidiness.
Now!
To prevent this incident, the angle grinder should have had both a handle and safety guard fitted. These are two critical components for safe operation. The face shield was inadequate, allowing fragments from the shattered disc to penetrate and also pass underneath it. To prevent incidents like this, always ensure you are using the correct disc, one that matches the appropriate size, material, and rating for the tool and task. Also be mindful not to apply excessive pressure or side load a grinder, as this significantly increases the risk of disc failure. Remember, risks and hazards in the workplace must be proactively managed through a structured risk management process. This involves identifying potential hazards, assessing the likelihood and severity of associated risks, implementing effective control measures, and regularly reviewing and monitoring those controls. By following this systematic approach, organizations can minimize the likelihood of incidents, ensure compliance with safety regulations, and foster a safer, more productive work environment for everyone. If you are looking for practical health and safety templates to help you manage workplace risks more effectively, visit our website at www.mysafetyworks.com.au. We offer a wide range of cost-effective, easy-to-use templates to support your safety compliance needs. To see more workplace safety videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates and valuable safety tips.